How to change your LeeStat schedule. Welcome to the Lee Company mobile app tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through how to change the schedule for your LeeStat. To view or change a schedule, go to the individual LeeStat menu page you want to modify and click Schedule. We recommend setting a weekly schedule that will save you energy. For example, you can adjust your temperature settings for the times your facility is in use and set them back for other times. To do this, click on a day in the schedule to reveal 4 possible schedule boundaries. Tap the Skip button to enable the Schedule Time option. You can create up to 4 events. For our office, we start conditioning the space at 6:30 a.m., so our occupancy status is occupied. We leave the office at 5 p.m., so our occupancy status changes to vacant. Set your heating and cooling set points to the desired temperatures for both your occupied and vacant modes. Press the Done button after setting each temperature. You can copy that schedule by clicking along the bottom of each day that you want to use the schedule for. Now that you're done, press Save at the top right of your schedule. You can see it has now been set and updated. If you have any questions, please email virtual.support@leecompany.com. Thank you for choosing Lee Company.